today, welcome back, and we have a new subscription. If you are new here, I'm Kirsten from Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, my two children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, basically anything I can get my hands on. So today, I just got my first Lurella, and I am super excited to try this one because I have been watching it and waiting for it. I mean, I wasn't sure if I was gonna do it because it's a little bit more money for the shipping to Canada, but I bit the bullet and I did it. So we're gonna dive into this one today. As you can see, I've already done a couple videos today, so I will do some swatches somewhere else. So we get a little card. So this is the February, and it says the value is $77. Now, I believe this is around $40 for this one. So right off the bat, the Till Death palette. And oh my god, this looks huge, first off, and such a cool case. So when I open it, ooh, so you can really get like two little palettes, and they like magnetize. So that's really neat. So the first one, there is no mirror, so I'll give you that one. So this is the one half. And that's the other. So, tons of great colors here for me to play with. I mean, there is quite a few like neutral colors. I will give you that. And there is a couple shimmers. What, 1, 2, 3, 4. About 6, 7 shimmers. So, I mean, it's about half and half, really. What, we got 18 different colors. So, I mean, right off the bat, I mean, for, you know, the $40, that's pretty good for even that size palette. That size palette probably cost more than this whole box did. So, I mean, that pays for the whole box, just the one product. So, the rest of this stuff, whatever's in here, I don't know yet, will just be an added bonus. So we're gonna dive in. Let me see. That is nothing. Okay, so we have the Chica lashes. So if you have watched any of my videos, you'll know that I used to go and get extensions all the time. But the last couple times, I don't know whether it's my lashes or I don't know, the girl just forgot what she was doing, but they fell off in like 2 days, 3 days. And I mean, you're talking about over $100 for lash extensions. And I mean, it took a lot of my natural lashes with it. So this is what I'm going to go to. Now I have been saving all the full lashes because I'm not used to doing full lashes, and it looks like a toddler when I put them on. So when I do wear lashes, I wear the little half ones just to get used to it at first, and then I will be diving in. So I do have a stockpile of lashes because I mean, there's been quite a few beauty boxes that I've had where they've given me lashes, so I'm just a little stockpile right now and letting my natural lashes grow so that I don't look horrible. So those are our second item. Now I do wish that they included like a little card, you know, like Boxy, Ipsy, ice cream, so that we knew how much each thing is worth. So they're saying it's $77, and I don't doubt that after you see the palette, but until you see a card and it all labeled, I mean, you're taking their word for it. I mean, you can go on their website and check it out yourself too. So that's what we'll do. Okay, next we have some tweezers. So, I mean, I don't tweeze my eyebrows. I get them threaded. But to clean up the odd one in between, always a good thing. And I put on my eyelashes with this to hold it in place. Probably not the best thing to do. I know that they have tools and stuff for that now, but I'm cheap. What can I say? So that is our item number 3. Item number 4 and 5 are brushes. I'm just going to take them out of the packaging. Ooh. Okay, so this is their own, obviously own brand, because I mean, I think everything is here is Lurella. They're not one that gets other beauty products. They just deal with their own. So here we have a nice fluffy brush. It is huge. What I will do with this, I have no idea yet, but I'll use it for something. Generally, I don't stick to their, oh, this is eyeshadow, this is eyebrows, this is blush. I kind of use whatever for whatever I want. Which is probably not the right thing to do, but I mean, I can't be the only one that does that. So next we have what I will use for eyeshadow. Probably for a little bit of blending. It is a little bit flat, but I find it would be a little too big for my patting brush. And it's not hard enough. I kind of like the more pointed ones for putting eyeshadow down. So this one might be used for blending for me. So that is number 4 and number 5 item. And we have 3 left to go. So let's try and open this stuff without, what's it called? Without a knife, because I wasn't smart enough to put a knife here with me. And I don't know why, because that clearly wasn't very bright. Alright, so this is going to be a liquid lipstick in the shade Suede. Okay, and that is the color, which seems really nice. Excited to try this on. It does feel like kind of a little bit dry. Whoa. Okay, that is a deep red. And it looks like it's matte. I don't think it says on here what it is. No, it doesn't say what it is, but it's looking like it's gonna be a matte. But yeah, really, really nice. I usually really like red lipsticks. I don't tend to go to pink. And I mean, if you've seen my last video, which was my So Susan Color Curate, you'll see that I got a nude lip and it like looked like I was wearing concealer. It was just exactly the shade of my skin and it did not work. So reds are where it's at for me right now. So next we have lip liners, and it looks like we have 2 of them. I'm just gonna try and get them out of the package first. So one's in the shade Cold Brew, and it looks to be a brown color. And the next is called Teddy. It looks to be more a light brown neutral shade. Alright. first we'll show you the teddy one. So this is what it looks like, the teddy one. And it is like a pencil, obviously. I mean, it's a little bit creamy. I mean, not the best I've seen, but seriously not the worst. So that's the first. It is like a taupey light brown color. And next we have cold brew, which looks to be a dark brown. And those are the two colors. It almost looks black in the camera, but it's definitely a dark brown. So that is everything that we have for our Lorella box. Now, I will be getting this one every month. I know that some of the other boxes I do, I kind of test them out, see if I like them, cancel, and then if I do like it, then I'll resubscribe and get it back going. But this one, I'm just going to keep on going. I know that they do palettes with every box, which I love. So I will definitely be giving this one a good shot and trying it for several months, and I will let you know how I like it. Today, I mean, that's a huge palette I got. 2 brushes. I mean, if you've seen any of my videos, you know I love brushes. So that it's less that I have to clean, but really more that I have to clean. More brushes I would have to, but not as often, I'd say. I can do them in a bigger batch. A couple lip liners. Love the lipstick color. Tweezers, I mean, this kind of feels like a little bit of a filler thing, but I'll take it. And then lashes. Always good to have lashes, but right now I'm not doing them in the full size, so I could have lived without that too. But that is kind of the point of subscription boxes, is you really have no idea what you're going to get. And unlike BoxyCharm and Ipsy, you don't have any choice products, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. So good thing is with choice products is you know that you're going to like at least one thing, but there's also less surprise, and that's the whole point of it. All of us can go to the store and buy any makeup product that we want to try, but obviously it's more money, first off. Second off, it's less fun. Let's just be honest there. I mean, if I go to the store, I buy the same products that I use every single month, and there's no surprise there. But anyways, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, the notification bell. If you hit it, then next time we have a video, it will automatically pop up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.